Can AI write all of your YouTube titles and descriptions? These are 125 YouTube shorts scheduled to go out, and each and every single title and description was written by AI. Hey, my name is Dan Henry. I'm the co-founder of ClosDeals.com, and I make videos about what I learned from making $30 million in my online business. Recently, I checked our YouTube titles and descriptions, and I was not very happy with what I saw. See, because we produce hundreds of YouTube shorts and Instagram Reels and TikToks per month, we need somebody to write the titles and descriptions, i.e. a copywriter, for those videos. However, like many of you, I am not willing to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on an elite level copywriter to write YouTube titles and descriptions. We have a copywriter, but his time and energy is spent on things like emails, sales pages, etc. And you know, if you're somebody that doesn't even have a company the size of mine, maybe you haven't made a lot of money, you're gonna run into this problem too. You're gonna need descriptions and social media content and all this stuff written, and you're not gonna have time to do it because you're gonna be busy building your business. You're gonna need to find someone to do it. And so yes, I hired a non-English speaking VA to write titles and descriptions for all these videos, and when I logged in to check them, I was not happy with what I saw. And that's not the VA's fault, that's just the way life goes, especially if you're only paying $5 an hour. But lo and behold, that very day, I heard about ChatGPT, the new AI tool that is all the rave. I wanted to know if this thing could solve this problem. So I cleared my schedule and I played with it all frickin' day. And at the end of the day, I messaged my social media manager and I said, let's try an experiment. I want you to take all 125 of these scheduled YouTube shorts, and I want you to use this AI tool to rewrite the titles and descriptions for all of them. And here are the commands you're gonna use. I will show you what those commands are in a minute, but let me share the results. In just 48 hours, all 125 of these shorts had 10 times better titles, 10 times better descriptions, and it only cost $5 an hour because that's what the VA charges. And moving forward, as we upload new ones, the titles and descriptions are actually quite good. They're not elite level copy, but who's gonna pay an elite level copywriter to write frickin' YouTube descriptions? They're at least as good, if not better, than a mid-level copywriter, which is all you need for something like that. And if you are bootstrapping your business and you don't have a ton of money to throw into employee costs and things like that, this right here is gonna save your life. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop onto my computer right now and I'm gonna show you step by step how we do this, from the upload of the video to the transcription to the AI to everything in between, so you can follow this, or you can even take this video and send it to your VA, and you don't even have to create a video for them. You can literally just take mine and send it to your VA and they'll know what to do. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, and whatever else you celebrate. Let's jump into the video. All right, so right here you can see my YouTube channel, and every single solitary short that you see, the headline or the title of the video and the description was written by AI or ChatGPT. I'm just gonna go ahead and walk you right through this so that you can do it for yourself. So the first step is to grab your video. This is a video that came from our editor. It is a short. I'm just gonna go ahead and click download and download it right now. Then I'm gonna go over to HappyScribe, or you can use any transcription software that you like, and you're going to transcribe it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is click new file and transcription. We are going to download from the desktop right here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and upload this. We're gonna use standard because I find that that is just fine. Once this finishes uploading, I can click transcribe and I can go ahead and get the transcription of this video. Now I can go ahead and transcribe, so I'm gonna click transcribe, and in about 3 minutes, I'll have the transcription. All right, now the transcription is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on it and it will give it to me. At this point, all you have to do is highlight the transcription, copy it, go over to ChatGPT and type in the following command. Write a YouTube description based on the following video transcript. Hold down Shift, hit enter so it does it on a new line, paste in the transcript. You don't even have to get rid of the speaker thing. You can if you want. I've done it without doing that. Okay, and hit enter. And what it'll do is it'll create a YouTube description, and it's writing it right now. It's so cool. Did you know that some of the biggest and most successful businesses in the world started in a garage? Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Hewlett-Packard are just a few examples of companies that began in humble beginnings and now have become household names. In this video, we take a look at the inspiring stories of these companies and founders who turn their dreams into reality. Don't let your circumstances hold you back from pursuing your own dreams. Believe in yourself and take the first step towards your goals. If you're having trouble overcoming sales objections, messages. So there was a call to action at the end of it, and that's why it put this part in. I say, if you're having trouble with sales objections, message us the word objections. If you're not gonna use that, or you're not gonna do any call to actions, you can just remove that, but this would be the description. Now, what you can do here is you can alter this, and you could say something like let's say you were doing this for a short, right? You could say, rewrite the above description in under 100 characters, right? So let's say you just wanted it shorter. It'll literally rewrite it. Boom. So I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna hit copy. Now I have the description. So what I'll do is I'll go over here and I'll hit upload video. I'll select the file. I'll pop in the description. And then what I can do is I can say, write a catchy YouTube title based on the above description in under 70 characters. I like to keep it under 70 for the YouTube. Boom. I'll just grab this. This is great. Boom. Look at that. Look at that headline. Look at that headline. So I'm gonna pop this in, bam, $5 billion businesses that started in a garage. That's fantastic. Then we got our description here. Now, again, if you are doing this on Instagram, if you were doing this on any other platform, you can modify it. You could literally take the same transcript and say, write an Instagram description and ask them to DM you this word if you want this or that. And that would give you inbound conversation leads, inbound messenger leads. You can literally tell AI here to do whatever it is you want it to do. Now, a lot of people, in my opinion, are gonna get a lot better at this, including myself and others. As we go through, we're gonna discover new ways to give commands to this thing. And so what you wanna really do here is you wanna experiment with the commands. So for instance, you could even go rewrite the above title as an Instagram reel description, as I misspell each and every freaking word. Yeah, don't misspell the words, it'll probably help. Okay, so you hit enter, bam. You won't believe how these $5 billion businesses got their start. Believe it or not, that sounds a little bit more Instagram-y to me. And you don't have to choose all of it. You can just grab this part and there you go. That's your Instagram description. Watch this. Write a CTA that asks people to message you the word objections if they want a 2-minute audio lesson on how to overcome objections on a sales call. And watch, it'll write it. Want to learn how to overcome objections on a sales call? Message us the word objections, and we'll send you a 2-minute audio lesson on exactly what to say to a customer who is unsure about your product. Don't let sales objections hold you back. Take action, learn how to handle them like a pro. I'll just grab this. Boom. Copy. Okay? And look, if you want to not even leave this up to your VAs, you could literally say, rewrite the above in under 100 words, right? And that'll give you a shorter one. So if you know exactly how long your descriptions should be, the more information you know, the better the command can be. And then you can just literally have your VAs do this. I understand that a world-class copywriter is better, but if you can't afford a world-class copywriter, this AI tool is going to give you way better results than if you didn't do it yourself because you don't have time, did it yourself and you're not a copywriter, or hired somebody who really sucked, or hired somebody who doesn't have English as a first language. This is the best possible option other than hiring a world-class copywriter. And there you go. And now I can go ahead and publish this video and we're good to go. I can also put it on Instagram, etc. And as you can see here, in just one day, we were able to upload dozens upon dozens. Look, these are all, I'll show you here. Filter, visibility, unlisted, boom. Every single solitary one of these, see all these? This is a lot, right? We have 125 shorts that are in process to be scheduled. Boost your brand with data-driven marketing, Alex Hormozi and Dan Henry. Grow your business with the Hinge method, word-of-mouth tips, Alex Hormozi. The power of direct response copy and advertising. Pitching a high-price mastermind. E-commerce stress management. No human wrote these. This was all AI, and this was VAs who don't speak English as a first language going through, taking the videos, transcribing them, going into ChatGPT, asking it to write a description based on the transcript, and then asking it to make a title, a YouTube title, based on the description, and then just copying and pasting, copying and pasting, copying and pasting. We had over 100 of these. I wasn't happy with the results. I wasn't happy with the copywriting. I didn't want to hire a professional copywriter to just write short copy, and so we just did this, and it has saved us so much time and so much money. So I really hope that you take this little training and you not only use it, but I want you to do it better than me. I want you to find new commands that actually do a better job than what I just showed you. And then I want you to comment on this video and let me know what you did so I can learn from it. I think this is an amazing tool, and we're all going to really level up our games if we know how to use it. Let's show each other how to use it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I release videos like this all the time. Talk soon.